Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add multiple transitions in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project in CapCut. I'm going to select new project, and then I'm just going to use a video from the CapCut library because I don't have any footage to be edited. So I'm going to go to the library. And for example guys, I'm going to select this video. I'm going to add this video to my project. So I'm going to click on add. Okay, now the video has been added to this project, and then I'm going to split the video into some parts just like this, and then I'm going to apply multiple transitions to this video. Okay, I think that's enough, and I'm going to show you how we can add transition. For the first transition, I'm going to select, for example, blur transition. You can choose the transition that you like guys, or the best transition for your video. This is just for an example, so I'm just going to pick random transition. For the second transition, I'm going to select overlay, and I'm going to go with a black fade. You can also customize the duration of the transition right here. Okay, and for the third one, I'm going to choose light effects. I'm going to select glare. Okay, and then I'm going to apply the slide transition as well. I'm gonna go with page turning. Alright, and then I'm going to try mask a transition. Okay, I'm gonna go with clouds. Right, and for the last one, I'm going to choose glitch transition. Okay, color glitch. Alright, and then I'm going to show you the final result. As you can see guys, that multiple transition have been applied to this video. That's so easy, right? And if you want to apply just one transition, you can just select apply to all right here, and one transition will be applied to all your clips. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply multiple transitions in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!